Hi my loves, it's Mahalia Janine, and today I'm going to give y'all a DIY. I'm going to show y'all exactly how I made this beautiful 3-panel headboard with gold studs in them for under $25. Yes girl, under $25. I'm going to show you from beginning to end. I'm going to tell you exactly how I put this headboard up. So let's just get into the video. So let's get into the materials. What I used first was this spray adhesive from Elmers, but you can use any kind that you want. A staple gun that I just got from my dad. These brass furniture nails that I got from Home Depot, and three of those. And these canvases that I got from Michael's 18-inch by 24-inch that were perfect if I used 3 of them. And I got this quilt batting from Walmart for $3. I also got this fabric. Last but not least, this mattress pad that I recycled from my twin size bed. Right now, I'm just showing you how I ripped open the canvases. Like I said, there were 2 in a pack and they were both $5.99 each. So that was a great deal from Michael's. And then I'm just going to show you how I measured them up together to see the size that I wanted. And it came out perfectly. My bed is a full-size bed, so 54 inches width was great for me, and 24 inches high was another great thing for me. But if you have a king size or smaller, just go ahead and measure that out for you. You'll probably be able to do it. You might have to put 2 or 3 headboards together to make the exact thing that you want. And right now I'm just putting the mattress pad down right onto my canvas, and I'm measuring it out. And then I'm going to go ahead and spray my adhesive spray on there and make sure I press it in really good so that it can stay. Okay, a warning. Make sure you do not spray like I sprayed. Don't spray with something not underneath it. You gotta have at least cardboard or something underneath, because the carpet will stain. The carpet will be kind of sticky and you don't want that. I did that. My parents were pissed. So do not spray the carpet. Just have something underneath it so that glue can have something to stick on. And you want to make sure that you use good scissors and it's kind of straight, because you don't want the ends to be bumpy and wonky looking when you finish putting the fabric on. Now I'm just laying my quilt batting down, and one small thing of quilt batting should work, and you're just going to have to go ahead and fold it over and staple the ends of it like I'm doing right here. A good tip would be to do both for the opposite ends first and then do the other side the opposite ends, so that it can be really taut and not loose. This is how your canvases should look as soon as you're done. They don't have to be perfect, as you see mine's are not, but they gotta look something like that. Okay, here is the fabric that I use. I use white, and I've double-sided it because you could kind of see the yellowish tone of the mattress pad that I use. So I went ahead and doubled it, and I used 3 yards. You do not need 3 yards. I use a lot, but that's just how I did it. Then I went ahead and started stapling it from both sides like I did the other one. You want to do the opposite sides first, and then you want to do the other sides so it can be tied and kind of tight. After you've added the fabric to all 3 panels, this is how it should look. Now you can keep it like that. That's a cute headboard right there. But I decided to go another step and add my gold furniture nails. Right here, I'm just measuring it out to see exactly where I wanted my furniture nails to go. Mine were 3 inches apart, and it really didn't matter how far they were from the side because they have to be in the wood. So you got to make sure that your furniture nails are exactly in the wood, and then you can go ahead and hit it with a hammer down. After measuring them, I did go ahead and put them in with a hammer. Sometimes it's hard to get them in the wood, so you got to make sure that you give your finger, put your finger in there and then hit it after. Don't hurt yourself now, but you got to give the fabric a little slack because it will not go in. After that, you're done. Look at your beautiful headboard. And so I use command strips to put them up. I just put them on the edges of all the headboards and I've stuck them onto my wall. If you don't want to do it like that, you can put the hook command strips up and put them on their wall. But it turned out so beautiful in my new apartment and I loved it so much. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Have a great day. Bye.